Hello guys, Vic with PhoneArena here, and today we're testing the selfie camera, the front camera on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So let's walk around, and I'm right here at the Trafalgar Square in London. Beautiful view, not so beautiful weather, but we're prepared for that. So let's walk around and see. The phone is handheld. Let's check out the video stabilization for the front camera. Seems to be pretty good, and I'm in sharp focus, which is always great for vlogging. And right now, we're using the AI HDR functionality for the front camera, so you can see the background looks really good. Colors are well preserved. There's nothing that's blown out. Everything looks good. Okay guys, this was a quick test of the camera on the Mate 20 Pro. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.